Hey, it's Bass Fishing 2 here. Me and cousin here about to go fishing off the pier in Emerald Isle. I got this gotcha jig fish. Got the treb on it. I think it's a 3 1/4 ounce. Good for pier fishing. Great. It's a great lure. Pull her open here. And I'm going to show you how to tie it on here today. Show you how to tie a simple fisherman's knot that is trusty and you won't lose your lure. Got it right here. First thing you're going to do, into your line through this hole, pull it through. That's a rookie mistake there. Pull it through. Then you're going to get it nice and tight. Put your finger right here. Twist it 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's just go ahead and do 7. 6. 7. Then you take this in and you just put it back through the loop that you made with your finger, and you pull it nice and tight. Try not to hook yourself, and pull it nice and tight down on there. That's your fisherman's knot. This line will never break off this. Then you just cut the excess line off here, I guess. And your lure's tied on. Thank you for watching. Bass Fishing 2 here.